In the last few years, artificial intelligence technologies have developed very fast and now they are used in almost every field. There are lots of websites on the internet that gives us AI tools they developed without charging us any money. In this video, I'm gonna introduce 5 of them very important for every student. And I guarantee these are not the same set of websites people always repeat. The first one is Autodraw.com. On this website, you can draw a rough sketch of some item or animal and it gives you a perfect image back. This could be very helpful for inserting images into your projects or slideshows. You can change colors and sizes and move items on the canvas. Finally, save them to your computer with one click. The second website is Excel Formula Bot. This tool is able to convert natural text to an Excel formula or vice versa. This website only allows registered users, so you'll have to create an account first. After login into your account, you will see this interface. Choose where you're going to use your formulas, Excel, or Google Sheets. Then choose whether you want to generate a formula using a written text or get an explanation for a formula you already have. Then type your text in the upper box and you will see the formula under it. You can see it's perfectly correct. Let's try another one. It worked for that too. Anyway, this website only gives 5 attempts per month for free, but you can buy their subscription for a very little price. The third website on my list is Wolfram Alpha. I know most of you have already used it for mathematical calculations, but this website is more than that. Actually, you can ask for any information from Wolfram Alpha just like Google. You can see how many details it has presented us for a small search phrase. Let's search about calcium. Then you can use this tool to plot graphs and do calculations. They also have a math input keyboard if you want. Very clever website for researching. Our fourth one is Getdigest.com. It's a summarizing tool. Most of the time it works pretty well. Simply paste your paragraphs into the source box. I'm using some paragraphs about violin from Britannica. From here select to what extent your source should be summarized. You can see it gave us a pretty good summary. You are also able to use a link of a web page or a file as the source directly. Well, the fifth and final one on our list is the OpenAI writing tool. OpenAI is a very popular company researching artificial intelligence. On this website also you'll have to create an account first and then log in. They have some other tools also. You can check them later using the same account. Okay, this is the simple interface of AI Writer. Just type in the box what you want it to write for you. Here's an introduction about violin written by an AI. Anyway, these AI-generated contents have wrong sentences sometimes. So use this tool just as a support for your work. You can't directly use them. Okay, let's try another one. Now a title for our introduction maybe. Awesome, right? It gives you different phrases every time. Play with this tool for some time and you will find this is a very useful tool. So that's all for this video. Like the video and subscribe us if you're happy with our content. Thank you for watching.